Okay, so this is my first year gardening and I'm making all of the mistakes and learning from them so that you don't have to. These are my lovely strawberry plants and I have yet to enjoy any of them myself. First of all, because of the neighbor kids, which that's a discussion for another day. And then second off, because every time one of these strawberries is about ripe, it gets eaten by slugs. So I found the solution and I'm gonna show you what I have come up with. This is all you're gonna need. These are paint pail liners and you can get it at any of your local hardware store. It cost me about $5. So this is a bigger one and the berries are off the ground pretty good. So I'm just gonna start by cutting up the top. And then cutting the bottom off. And then once I decide where I want to place it, I'm gonna dig a little barrier and make sure it's nice and snug so that they don't go anywhere. As I repeated this for some of my other strawberry plants that are not as far off the ground, I just took more of the bottom off. I've also seen people that have larger strawberry plants repurpose Easter egg baskets or little tiny laundry type baskets in order to protect their strawberry plants that are a little bit larger. You can get creative with this. You probably have something lying around your house that you could use, but this is just a really cheap and easy option. And that's it. Happy gardening.